Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with KnowledgeHut.
Hello and welcome to KnowledgeHut. In this video, we will be talking about the Sprint Planning Meeting in Scrum. So let us begin. The Sprint Planning Meeting is one of the 4 ceremonies conducted in Scrum, the other 3 being the Daily Scrum, the Sprint Review, and the Sprint Retrospective. The start of the Sprint Planning Meeting is officially the start of the sprint. This meeting is held with the objective of selecting the set of product backlog items which are to be delivered during the current sprint. It is attended by the product owner, the Scrum Master, and the entire Scrum team. Although the team can also invite other stakeholders to attend the meeting, this rarely happens in any company. The Sprint Planning Meeting mainly focuses on 2 things. First, what is to be built during the sprint, and second, how the team will build it. For deciding what is to be built, the product owner presents a rough idea of the goal to the team. The product owner tells about the features he or she wants to be added or to be improved in the product. The initial goal presented by the product owner helps in the selection of the product backlog items to be built in the current sprint. The product owner then presents the highest priority items from the product backlog to the team. The team members then ask questions to the product owner so that they can get a clear picture of what exactly is to be created. Then comes the second part of the Sprint Planning Meeting, where the team tries to figure out how to build what they have decided to build. This can be done in whichever way it is helpful for the team. Sometimes, the work required to be done to complete the product backlogs is broken down to rough task lists. Sometimes only the first few items are broken down into tasks, and sometimes it is not done at all. Breaking the backlogs into tasks also helps in confirming whether the right amount of work is selected or not. As the Agile Values suggest, team members should remember and accept the fact that situations, conditions, and requirements can and will change during the course of the sprint. Therefore, they should not be expected to create a perfect sprint plan. They should put just enough efforts in planning that they are roughly confirmed that they have selected the right set of the product backlog items. The official time box for Sprint Planning Meeting is 2 hours per week, which means for a 2-week-long sprint, it is 4 hours, and for a 4-week-long sprint, it is 8 hours. Generally, it is seen that teams require even lesser time than the official allotment. After the how and what part of the meeting is completed, the Scrum team, along with the product owner, revisit the sprint goal and decide whether any changes are required to be made in it based on the outcomes of the Sprint Planning Meeting. So this was all about the Sprint Planning Meeting. We hope that you understood the concept with the help of our video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to keep upgrading your knowledge. You can also visit our website and choose from many professional courses which can help you advance your career ahead. Thank you.